Let's make a sorrel mojito with me. Add in cloves, orange peel, pimento berries. Then we're gonna allow this to come to a boil, okay? Now that this is boiling, all the spices are waking up. Smelling so good. This will also give the sorrel a nice warm flavor. Turn off the stove, because we're not gonna boil the sorrel, okay? We're just gonna steep it. As Mama would say, we're gonna draw the sorrel. So we're not boil the sorrel, we're draw the sorrel. So now we're gonna add some ginger. And at the summer alone, I bring heat. Ginger, I bring heat. So we're gonna add some ginger to it, okay? Add the amount of ginger you like to your taste. And one thing, if you know about Jamaican, we love ginger. We love ginger. We add ginger to almost every drink. Now it's time to add the star of the show, sorrel. We call it sorrel in Jamaica, or some people call it Florida mica. We call it sorrel. What do you call it in your country? Some people even say hibiscus, but I think it's two different plants. Let's go. And we're just gonna leave it to steep. You can steep this overnight, a couple hours. It all depends on how long you got the time, but it's really better overnight. We're just gonna allow this to steep for about an hour. Look at this color, nice and rich. This is what homemade sorrel is supposed to look like. Oh my god, it smells so good. I'm gonna add some sugar to it. Now we're gonna put the chill, okay? When I was in Jamaica, I was like, I wanted to know what strawberry tastes like. I wanted strawberry so bad, like. Now you want to get a couple of mint leaf. Add in some sugar. Now we're going to muddle these to release the flavors and the juices. Do you see all this juice that has been released? Add in some ginger beer. Oh, this is so cute. Like, look at this. So cute. So we're gonna make one alcoholic and one virgin. And we're using Ray and Nephew rum. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do a taste test. Cheers. Mine tastes good. Oh, yours tastes.
Rum.
Well, not already. My taste is still big. It's really good. Like, perfect combination with the ginger beer, and then the mint adds so much. So you want to try it?
Yeah, it's so good. With the mint, and then I could taste like the ginger beer. It's so good.
You like it?
Yeah.
I like it too. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and also leave me a comment down below. I hope you try this drink. Thanks for watching. Till my next one. Bye, guys.